And if you could give everyone in the world an experiment to do for 30 days,
Yeah.
what would it be?
I think the simplest thing that would be relevant to everyone, and the use case that I described earlier, where you have an automation that in the morning before you start your day goes out, grabs whatever's in your email box, processes those emails, and creates a task list for you in the order of priority that tells me, these are the top three things that you have to take care of because they're urgent. Creating such an automation would be fairly straightforward. And in there, you basically use the integration with, Gmail or whatever the email system that you use, and an AI assistant that processes all those emails that generates the task list for you. And that's it. That would be a great starting point to do a lot more other more complex things. Looking into their day-to-day activities and trying to automate those would probably be more complex if you haven't really done any. From the automation perspective, just to learn how it works. On our side, the build your first automation really creates an automation of like four steps. It's grabbing news articles based on a query. Like you basically say, for this search query, give me the latest news articles, and you can identify the sources. Then it goes over the list of those articles, sends it to AI to create a summary of what's going on in the world today. And that AI returns that list, and you can just send it to yourself via email. And that's the basic automation that we recommend people to start when we have like a very detailed walkthrough. That's a good starting point just because it gives you an idea of how you build an automated process that consists of individual steps and how to use the tool. And then once you kind of get the basic hang of the mechanics of creating it, then many other things become a lot simpler to digest and implement.